Hello there. In this tutorial, we will show you how to update content and styling for footer widget area. It is fairly easy, so let's do it. For this, you need to log into your WordPress admin panel and under Appearance, click Customize. On the next screen, you will find all the available options. First, click the color and background option and then footer widget style. From here, you can choose the title color, font color, and link color, and also link hover color. Then the background option. From here, you can select a color for the footer widget area and set a image as your background image for the footer widget area, and then the background image settings, and that is really self-explanatory. And on the next, then go back to the main settings and here find footer settings, then click footer widget layouts. From here you have option to enable or disable the entire footer widget area and select a layout from this drop down, and you can actually select how it will look with each style. For this specific theme, this is a style we have selected. So this is style 2 and it has only 2 columns, and we are going to use 2 of the footer widgets. Now we will show you how to update the content. For that, you need to log into your WordPress admin panel and under the Appearance, click Widgets. And then you will find something like that. And if you go down, you will find footer widget 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each of them actually occupy the columns you set earlier in the footer widget style. If you click here, you will find the already added the content from here, and if you make any changes, you can actually click the update button to update the changes. And again, in the footer customizer settings, once you are happy with the changes, don't forget to click the publish button to save the changes. And that's all. Thanks for watching.